Hey dear viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's not just fascinating but crucial for our digital future. How will quantum computing impact cybersecurity in the next few years? Let's explore the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. First up, let's talk about the threat to current encryption methods. Quantum computers are set to revolutionize our understanding of cryptography. With algorithms like Shor's algorithm, they can factor large numbers at lightning speed, making traditional encryption methods like RSA and ECC vulnerable. This means cybercriminals could potentially harvest encrypted data today and decrypt it later when quantum computers become powerful enough. Imagine the risk to sensitive information like financial records and personal health data. In response to these threats, we're seeing the emergence of quantum-resistant cryptography. Researchers are developing new algorithms designed to withstand quantum attacks. The National Institute of Standards and Technology is finalizing standards for these post-quantum algorithms, expected to be widely implemented by 2024. Companies like Apple and Google are already integrating these new standards into their systems. It's a race against time to secure our data, but it's not just about defense. Quantum computing could also enable new forms of cyberattacks. We might see quantum hacking, where attackers exploit vulnerabilities in both classical and quantum systems. And let's not forget about quantum malware. This new breed of malicious software could target quantum systems using their unique properties to evade detection or cause damage. As the threat landscape evolves, organizations will need to invest heavily in quantum security solutions. This includes conducting crypto inventories to assess vulnerabilities and implementing quantum key distribution (QKD), which ensures secure communication channels that are theoretically immune to eavesdropping. To stay ahead, cybersecurity professionals must adopt proactive risk management strategies. Regular evaluations of vulnerabilities will be essential as quantum technology advances. Establishing continuous monitoring systems and adapting security protocols will help organizations prepare for emerging threats. If you found this video informative, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights on technology. What are your thoughts on quantum computing and its impact on cybersecurity? Let us know in the comments below.